What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, this is Clever. I'm going to be teaching you ways you can make money online through applications.
Most underrated side hustle of 2022 is something that most people aren't doing and don't even know makes a ton of money. It's not TikTok, it's not Instagram, it's not Twitch, it's not even starting an agency or selling a $6 course on TikTok. It is selling digital products on Etsy. It is by far the most lucrative and most underrated side hustle of the 2020s because Etsy has over 82 million active buyers shopping on their marketplace and no one even knows about this. And fun fact, they are the fourth fastest growing e-commerce company behind Apple, Chewy, and Amazon. So here's how it works. You figure out what program you want to use like Microsoft Word, Photoshop, Excel, or even Canva. Then you create digital products from it, like printable wall art, digital planners, or resume templates. Once you create the digital products, you open up a store on Etsy, upload the files to your shop with the related keywords, and that's it. Now, whenever a buyer finds and buys your product, Etsy automatically sends them the digital files. And you make passive income in an evergreen way every single day. I started this a few years ago as a side hustle, but after a couple months, I've been able to quit my job and do this full time, and now started a YouTube channel helping others do the same. Follow to learn more.
I'm going to show you how to make $30 every 5 minutes simply by translating. And don't worry, you don't need to speak multiple languages for this. First, go to translate.google.com, select the language you speak, and select the language that you're going to be translating. Now select the microphone icon like this. Make money. This is great because you don't have to be fluent at that language, and you can do multiple languages. So this is where you make the money. Go to the website peopleperhour.com. Click sign up and create a profile. Go to the translation category. Now you can see the gigs that you can start doing. You get paid per gig, not per hour. Most of these gigs are 500 words or less, so they really don't take that long. You can do as many gigs as you want.
I'm going to show you how to earn $100 an hour by simply typing. First, go to rev.com. These jobs have a pay range over $1 per minute just for typing out the captions for videos.